HTTP requests allow 1C applications to communicate with external systems, such as web services, APIs, and third-party platforms. Modern business systems rarely work in isolation. They exchange data with websites, payment systems, marketplaces, and other services. Using HTTP requests makes this integration possible. To work with HTTP requests in 1C Enterprise, we usually create an HTTP connection object using 1C script, prepare a request, and then send it to a server. The server processes the request and returns a response, often in formats like JSON or XML. When working with HTTP requests, it's important to handle errors. Network issues, incorrect responses, or service downtime can occur. Proper error handling helps make integration stable and reliable. It's very important to always validate responses from external services. This means to avoid placing HTTP calls directly in the forms. The request handling should always be placed on server-side modules or common modules. This also makes integration easier.